Or have you seen my daughter Joseph? Most of you were not raised right. And if you were not raised right, you better begin to raise yourself. Because you think you can come and curse people and go, and you feel that you are safe because you're not seeing them one-on-one, or you think they don't know you. But karma has a way of visiting a lot of people. And that's a fact. And I will continue to speak my truth. And I'm continuing to say it exactly the way it is. We can all do better. And most especially mothers. Today is Mother's Day, so I'm talking to the women now. We can all do better in the way we raise our children. Let us start first by letting them understand that we are all one.
IYABO OJO ti fi ọmọ rẹ̀ Priscilla ó ti fi yangàn o wípé ìjẹ́rí ọmọ òun wípé ọmọ òun ṣe dáadáa. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ó ṣe lọ rèé.
It starts from your house help in the house, where your house help has to sit on the floor, use a particular cup to drink water, a particular plate to eat food. Where your children go down and he insults them and be rude to them, and you allow it, and you make them feel so superior. Start with your home on how you raise your children, because these are all the things that affect them when they grow up. They feel they're special than a certain kind of child. Raise your children to be humble. Raise them to be respectful. It's important. Bolanle, what is your name? My eyes just caught you. Bolanle, but let me block you. Don't have time for rubbish. I need to block a lot of you. Block. As mothers, we must do better. We must do better in raising our children, because that is how it starts. We must ensure that our children go to school, because education, lack of education is a disease. In fact, it's a sin. We must do better as a mother to send our kids to school. So that if you know that you don't have much, please don't have too many children that you cannot raise. Don't have too many children that you cannot raise. Have the ones that you can raise, so that you can give them proper education, so that they can do better. This is our generation. There's nothing we can do about it. But the new generations that are coming up, please, let's make a better effort, a stronger effort to raise these kids right. Let's do it. It's important. Let's raise them right. Let's teach them to be humble. Let's teach them to be God-fearing. It's very, very important. Education is key. Honestly, this election has made me see, I have seen so many things, and I'm like, God. Our level of exposure, education is extremely very low.